The ROG ScreenPad Plus is an expansive touchscreen that is seamlessly integrated into select gaming devices. It features a quick key tool that lets you create custom hotkeys for all of your games and apps. For example, instead of hitting 3 keys to zoom in or out, you can create a quick key to do it with a single tap. Your quick key profile will also adjust to include the shortcuts you've saved for whatever app you're using on the main screen. Personalizing your quick key combinations is easy. First, open the app you'd like to make shortcuts for. In your quick key window, hit the plus icon to add a new key group. Give the group a name and a brief description of the command you're shortcutting. Then, press the key you'd like to use for the command and choose Link to App. That's it. The next time you open Quick Key with the app, your new group will automatically appear. With built-in apps like Quick Key, you can work faster, smarter, and more efficiently no matter what you do. With nearly endless possibilities, we can't wait to see how you'll put it to use.